Okay, so did you draw the shape? Maybe it's a little neater than mine. I'm still trying to practice working with this pen instead of my nice markers. But that shape's called a frustum. I don't know if any of you talked about it in geometry class. It's like a cone with the top slit off. So it shows up a lot of times in applications. And if you Google, there's actually a formula for it where the height is, so I looked at the picture. The distance this way is 6. The radius of the smallest circle on the left is 2. And the radius of the other circle on the right is 5. And so this would be R1, and this would be R2, and this would be the height. So let's get the volume with calculus, and then we'll check with the formula. Ready? Okay. So we still need, since we're going to be adding up circles, we're going to integrate, and let's do a function for the radius, because the radius will vary as we integrate along the x-axis. And so we are going to, let's see what color I can get. How about blue? We have blue? Let's do a blue. Okay, so we're going to go from, this is the radius that's moving, just like we did in Desmos. And the top would be that curve from your opener, which is 1/2 x plus 2. And the bottom is just the x-axis. So if you really wanted to be sort of formal, you could subtract 0. But for the most time, we want to see that the height is the output of the function. So that's r of x. Okay, so how do we get the area of the circle? You take r of x, you square it, you multiply it by pi, but we're adding those infinitely thin disks. So we're going to integrate, we need a dx. And we're starting at x here, which is 0, and we're going to the end where x is 6. So you guys type that in your calculator. So hit pause. Then when you come back, I'll have my answer up, and we'll do it the other way too. All right, see you in a sec. Are you back? Okay. I got 78 times pi. And let's check with the new formula. Okay, so let's do it another way. So the volume is 1/3 times pi times the height's going the lengthwise this way. So that's 6. And then square the first radius, square the other radius. So that's 25. Then add their product. 2 times 5 is 10. So I get 1/3 times 6 times, I added that already. I got 39 times pi. So I get 78 pi. Math is awesome, just like you.